Hello Odoo and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import customer and vendor ledger in Odoo accounting. Before starting with this video, if you are having trouble creating vendor ledger in Odoo, check out our previous video on how to create vendor ledger. We have made the whole process much easier for you. First, you need to keep Excel or CSV file ready to import it in Odoo. In that, you need to have name, country ID, state ID, zip code, city, street address, GST treatment, GST and PAN of your customer. Ensure that all the columns are filled in. Then save the Excel and close. Now, you need to log into your Odoo instance. Go to Sales module, click on Orders. From the drop-down, select Customers. Click on the action icon and then select Import Record option. Now you need to click on Upload Data File. Select the file in which you have added your customer list. You need to check the Odoo fields are correctly filled in. Click on Test button and check the imported file is error free. Once you get everything seems valid message, simply click on Import button. As your customer ledgers are successfully imported in Odoo, you can start preparing your customer invoices. Next, we will learn how to import vendor ledger. For that, you need to keep Excel or CSV file ready to import it in Odoo. Similar to how you prepared for customer ledger. Go to Purchase module, click on Orders. From the drop-down, select Vendors. Now you need to click on Action icon and select Import Records. Now click on Upload Data File. Select the Excel sheet or CSV file in which you have prepared your vendor list. Check whether all Odoo fields are correctly imported and click on Test button. Once you get everything seems valid message, simply click on Import button. Now your vendor ledgers are successfully imported. You can start booking your vendor bills. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful and for more such videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.